What's up guys, Rel here, Fugitech, and Motorola Philippines will soon launch in the Philippines its latest flagship smartphone, the Moto Edge 30 Pro. Sporting a 6.7-inch OLED display with 144Hz refresh rate, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip, 50-megapixel triple rear cameras, 60-megapixel front camera, and 4,800 mAh battery. We finally got our hands on one, so here's our initial thoughts about the device. First things first, let's see what's inside the box. Opening up the lid, you will be greeted with the phone itself. Underneath that is a smaller box that contains your SIM ejector tool, manuals, a jelly case, Type-C cable, earphones, and charger. Now, let's talk about the device. The Moto Edge 30 Pro is a pretty tall and chunky device, which can be attributed to the large screen and big battery. It's still easy to grip, cool to touch, and feels very premium with an IP52 rating for dust and water resistance. This device features an aluminum frame with a glossy metallic finish. The back panel is my favorite part of the Moto Edge 30 Pro. It uses a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 with a frosted finish. In result, it feels very smooth with a powdery texture that hides smudges and fingerprints very well. The unit that we have sports the Cosmos blue color, which exudes a glowing light effect of blue and green. Up front, it houses a 6.7-inch OLED screen with a punch hole at the top for the 60-megapixel selfie camera. In place of it is the earpiece and the loudspeaker. Protecting the screen is a Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Now for buttons and ports, placed on the right side are the volume buttons and the power/lock button, which also doubles as a fingerprint scanner. The buttons feels good, although it is placed on the upper part of the frame, so you need to stretch out your fingers just to reach it. Up top, we have the secondary microphone, and down below is the SIM card tray for 2 nano-size SIM cards, a USB Type-C port, the main microphone, and a loudspeaker. For cameras, it consists of a 50-megapixel main sensor, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and 2-megapixel depth, and the LED flash. Like usual, we'll go more in depth in our full review, but for now, check out some quick sample shots that we got. Now for its internals, powering the Moto G30 Pro is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset with an octa-core CPU, an Adreno 730 GPU, 12 GB of RAM, 256 GB of internal storage, Android 12, and a 4,800 mAh battery with 68W fast charging, 15W wireless charging, and 5W wireless power sharing. Well, we'll know more about its performance in our full review, so stay tuned for that. Now, the Moto Edge 30 Pro is priced at 34,995 pesos and will be available in Motorola PH Store in Lazada and Shopee, and from Motorola kiosk at SM Megamall and SM North EDSA. It will also be available in select authorized mobile resellers nationwide. So that's it for now. What do you guys think about the Moto Edge 30 Pro? Well, do let us know in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit Ugitech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Rel, I'll catch you guys in the next one.